right, so I had somebody ask how they would run their own Minecraft server for their friends. So there will be two methods to this. The first one is the easiest, and it takes like 5 minutes to set up, and it is Aternos, and you can do it on any device for Minecraft Java Edition or Minecraft Bedrock Edition. That'll be the first method. You can skip to this timestamp on the screen if you would like to see that. And the second method will be it's like if you have a PC with decent specs and you wanted to run it on your own PC. This is more complicated and takes more steps to set up. If you'd like to do that, you can skip to this timestamp on the screen. Okay, so for the first method, we're going to go to Aternos. We're going to look up Aternos. First, you can click on aternos.org for the first link, and then we are going to click play. You can either make an account or log in. I'm going to make an account, so you can click sign up. You don't even need a email. You can just enter username. So I'm going to put Kone Jr. 11, and you can agree to the terms of service and accept that, and then you can just make a password and click sign up. Don't even need an email, you can just press sign up. Alright, now that we've signed up and we are on the servers page, you can press create server. And you can just press close on this. It's full of ads, you do not need to click download. Okay, now we are on the create servers page. You have the option between Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. Now I'm going to do Java Edition. So you can then just click create. Bedrock Edition is basically the same thing. And then you can press skip here. Unless you want to back up your server, it's optional. And now you have your address, your micro version, and your software. Now, I'm going to leave mine vanilla, but if you would like, you can press change, and you can change it for like purpose / Bugit for plugins, and Fabric, Quilt, Neoforge, and Forge for mods. I'm going to leave mine vanilla. Now I'm going to click back into server, press start, and then I'm going to wait for it to start up. And you are going to press yes, I accept the ELA. And then I'm going to press no to the notifications. And then I'm going to go to console while it's starting. And then wait for it to start up. Okay, now that my server is running, I'm going to type OP and then your Minecraft username. So mine is Kone Jr. And make myself a server operator, so you can use commands inside your own server. Now right there at the top is your server IP. You can hover over that, you can copy it, and that use where you would put into Minecraft to play your server. It's that simple. So Aternos will take like 5 minutes to set up. It's super simple, and you can just get going like that. I'm gonna press stop now. Alright, now for method 2, the first thing we have to do is download Java 25. If you don't have it already, you will need this to run the Minecraft server. So we're going to look up Java 25, go to their Oracle website, do JDK 25, and click Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, whatever you're on. I'm going to do Windows and the x64 installer. I'm going to click on the download link, and it will start its download. And now that it's done, we can open the download and wait for it to open. You can press yes to allow it to. And there we go. Now what we're going to do is press next. And then next again. And let it do its thing. And while it is installing, we are going to go look up the Minecraft server jar. And we are going to go to the official Minecraft.net website to get the Minecraft Java Edition server file. You're going to click on the green text to download Minecraft Server 26.2. And once that is done installing, we will go back to Java. If it is done, you can just press close. And then we are going to want to go, we can close these tabs. And we're going to want to go to the File Explorer and in Downloads or wherever you have it saved. Okay, and then I would, and then you see server.jar, I would recommend you make another folder for it to go into. Otherwise, it will fill up whatever folder it's already in with files. So I recommend just making a folder on my Minecraft server and then drag the server file into it. And then all you gotta do is double click it. Start populating this folder with more folders and files. If you give it a second, then once the EULA file shows up, it's a .txt. You're gonna double click it, open it with Notepad, and where it says EULA, you are going to change it from false to true. And then you can press Control S to save it, or you can go over to File and press Save or Save All. And now you can double click server again and wait for it to load. Some more files might pop up, and then a GUI will pop up with the console and the RAM and the tick time. So here's the console with your server running. If you type one of the first things we should do in the console, just press allow here, and then one of the first things I'm gonna do is in the console is type OP and then your Minecraft username. So for me, mine is Cool Nate Jr. Then I'm gonna press enter and make myself a server operator so I can run commands inside my server world. Now the next step, because right now it is only going to be running local on our PC, which means anybody on our Wi-Fi can join. But if your friends are at their own houses and not on your Wi-Fi, they will not be able to join. So the next step is going to be opening your web browser again, and we are going to be going to playit.gg to download a software that will let your friends join your server from anywhere in the world. So once you open your web browser, just go to playit.gg and you can press start for free. Now I already have an account, so I'm going to go to my login page and log in. But making accounts pretty similar. Okay, now that we're here, I am going to be pressing the download agent in the agent section, and I'm going to download the recommended one for Windows, the Windows installer 64 bits, and I'm going to press download v1.0.10. As you can see in the top right, it is downloading, and once it is done, I'm going to open the file. And once you're at the setup wizard, just click next, next again, and install. It will ask you if you want to allow to make changes on your device. Just click yes. It will actually allow it to install. If you click no, it won't install. Okay, now that it is done, we're going to click finish. And now we're going to press Windows and launch the playit.gg app right here. Going to click open. And it will open a command prompt to your terminal. And it'll give you a link. And you're just going to control and click it. Control and left click. And it will open in your browser. And then if you give it a second, it will connect to it. Just click continue here. And then give your agent a name. So I'm going to be naming mine Minecraft server, obviously. And then click add agent. And then give it a second to locate your agent again. And then once it does, you're going to click create a tunnel. And then you're gonna put a tunnel name. I'm obviously gonna name mine Minecraft server, just like the agent is named. Click next. Then the tunnel type, I'm doing a Minecraft Java server, so double click Minecraft Java. If you want it for free, just click next for the free network, and then next again, and then create tunnel. And there we go. The tunnel is now created. It is going to allocate an IP address. So then once it does that, that is the IP you will give to your friends to join your server. You can just copy that, and I will load into Minecraft and show you how to join it and where you put it in and show you that it works. All right, now we're in Minecraft. You can just copy and paste the link and start joining your server. And here we are, loaded into the Minecraft server world. All right, that will be it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you guys later. Bye.